Hello, dear participants of today's seminar. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Kенжебаева Катыша. I'm an English teacher at school number 9 in Басқұдық village, Мұнайлы region. So today, I think this seminar will be useful for you. Today, I'm going to present my top 5 favorite internet platforms and apps. Here you can see the list of them. So let's, there are so many resources, but I select just 5 of them, and I think they will be very useful. Very useful platform, which is called Groupstar.forteachers.org, the page of the platform, which is Groupstar. So to use this platform, we must at first register it. I have already registered, so I show you how to use this platform. So as you guess, here we can find already prepared rubrics, or just create. This platform is very useful during our assessment period. So we have unit assessment and we have term assessment. We must prepare the task for our students, or even during the everyday lessons, we have such tasks which we prepare the rubrics for this task. So I push the button, create the rubric. Here we can see different parts like oral projects. For oral projects, we make rubric. For products, for example, we use maybe making a map. We can give such task to our students. Multimedia, science, research and writing, work skills. So I choose research and writing. Here I choose letter writing. So we actually give many tasks, writing letter. So here I must just add the theme, the task. For example, letter to friend. Letter to friend, to my friend, or letter to your friends. So here we can see we must choose a category, how we will assess, The first one, I think, sentences and paragraphs. So the letter must have the opening, the clothing, And grammar and spelling is also important. The third one, I think, capitalization and punctuation is very important too. Content accuracy, length, idea, so many. So I'll just stop there. I want just to show what will have the result. So I push the button submit, and I have here already prepared rubric. So I can print it or I can download. The next one is internet platform, which is very useful. It's called Newsseller. Here we can just choose subject areas. It can be English language art. It could be science, social studies, and so on. Let's choose this one. Let's choose this text. So here we can see the text, could a toothpaste help treat peanut allergy? So here we can see the level of the text, it's level 6, and how many words was used. Let's look to the first sentence. It may one day be possible for people to treat food allergies by simply brushing their teeth. So we can just change the level from the 6 till, let's look, till the level 2. Millions of people have peanut allergies. We can see how the sentences are so simple. And also we can listen to the text.
Could a toothpaste help treat peanut allergy? By Science News for Students, adapted by Newsela staff. Published April 21, 2021. Millions of people have peanuts allergies. Their bodies react when they eat peanuts.
And also here we have activities. Let's look at it. So it's quiz, yeah. What is the main topic of the article? We can see the answers. It looks like a test, yeah. We must choose the correct one. Let's look to the second task. Read the paragraph and choose the correct answer or answer the question, yeah. So it's very useful, and of course you can choose other articles. And here we can save, share, and even print the text. But before teachers, students, it can be parents, yeah, must to register to this internet platform. And if you are from Kazakhstan, you must just add the school where you work if you are a teacher. And that's it. You can start to work, use this the content from this platform at your English lessons. The next very useful internet platform is TED Education. Here we can see lessons, series, both schools, school and a blog. Yeah, let's choose lesson. And here we can choose the subjects, and we see different videos. Yeah, let's choose subject, my literature and language. Yeah, and we can see here literature, linguistics, writing. Let's choose speaking. Yeah, here we can see different videos. Let's choose the first one, why parrots can talk like humans. So first step is to watch the video. Let's watch it.
This is what a macaque monkey would sound like if it's suddenly proposed.
Will you marry me?
Yeah, I hate it too. Let's...
Okay, after watching the video, the next step is think. Here we have several questions and the answers. We must choose the correct one. Several questions. Yeah. And we can save our answers. The next step is dig deeper. To learn more additional information, we can see here what to watch, what sites to visit, and additional information itself, yeah. The last step is discussion. So here we can see the question, what are ways that other animal species communicate? How does language differ from species to species? We can view discussion, click the bottom here and see the different comments. So your students can also add their own comments and to the different points of view, yeah, on this thing, or add their own comment too. Very useful platform. With just to use this platform, you must to register to choose the subject and the age group of your students, and that's it. So you can use this platform at your English lessons too. Another very useful platform is Kahoot. Yeah, it has its own app, so students can just only download the app to their phones, smartphones, and to play the Kahoot. So how? Let's look. That's my library. Here you can see the Kahoot, the task which I created myself. Here the Kahoots which I use it. So the first one, reported speech and reported questions. Here we can see the players, how many players to play at this competition, and how many questions. and how much time they spend for doing this task. So let's look for players, their nicknames and their results. Let's look to the questions. Here we can see the questions. Yeah, and even they can just to send you a feedback. So if you need to you can find Kahoot on about different theme. So for example, if we need a Kahoot task for a sim compound nouns, we just write there. At first push the button discover and write the compound nouns. Here we have. So here we have 20 questions, 48 questions, 12 questions, and so on. Let's choose this one. Yeah, here we can see the tasks, yeah. And I'll show you how does it work with students. So here we push the button play, and students must open the app on their phones and write the pin code to start the game. So this platform we can use effectively during the distance learning too. So we just look at for the first one now. We can just choose the second one, which we can use during the pandemic, yeah, teaching students in a distance. So we push the button play again, or just play. Choose the second one. Question time. We can just off or on, give some time. Orders, yeah, date, time. Just create it. So, and we just can send the link or send the pin code. Okay, I'm sharing with you my smartphone screen. So here I just add my nickname. Yeah. Just okay. So here we can see compound nouns and how students can read the question itself, yeah, to see the question. For example, trash, we must make compound noun. We choose just this, the answer, so we can see the correct, yeah. So it's very effective even during the distance learning. So we can use this platform, this app with students. The last but not the least useful internet platform for today is Quizlet. Quizlet has also the app, so students can just download it from the Play Market. So how to work with this internet page? So we can just create our own task, yeah, but also we can just search, for example, plural form, if we have such a theme, grammar theme. So I'll just push there and we can see type of the tasks. So there can be, let's look, it's cars, for learning by heart, writing. So just let me show how does it work. We just write the meaning of this word, the task. Then we can listen and write, and also we have tasks to write the singular form, or you see there, choose the correct answer version, and they just check their answers. So So we can just add different type of tasks